Welcome to the Building Science Principles course by Blue Sky Training. In this training, we're going to cover 10 units. First, we're going to introduce the topic of building science. You're going to learn about the big three of home comfort: heat, air, moisture. Next, we're going to move on to construction basics. These are going to be things like, what is a soffit vent? How do you define a cathedral ceiling? Then, we're going to move on to heat. We're going to learn the basics of thermodynamics. After that, how to control heat. Unit 4 is going to be insulation, where we're going to cover all the different types of insulation, their prospective R values, and how you should properly install them. After that, air and air sealing, which is the big secret of home performance. So, how does air flow throughout a house through stack effect? And how are we going to control that airflow? Then we'll move on to moisture and moisture control. These principles will cover things like moisture damage, mildew, growth, even condensation on windows. Finally, we're moving on to mechanical systems. This is all your HVAC equipment. So furnaces, it's covered here. Heat pumps, covered here. Air conditioning units, all covered here. We're gonna look at how these operate and the basics of how we can tell if they're efficient or not. Then we're moving on to conservation strategies. These are simple ways that you can help your home be more energy efficient. This covers things like lighting and even just types of light bulbs. This covers things like water usage and tells you how to use basic energy models. The last chapter of the BSP reference guide is the Home Energy Score, and this will be the 9th unit for Blue Sky Training. The Home Energy Score is a simple tool by the Department of Energy that helps you rate homes. The final unit, unit number 10, is going to be a final exam that will be 100 questions that will prepare you to take the BSP certification exam.